Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy blueberry banana smoothie recipe. So let's move on to the recipe now. So I have half a cup of frozen blueberries that I'm going to place inside. So I've got one small banana here. You can break it in half and then just put that in. So this is one heaped teaspoon worth of chia seeds that goes inside. Gives it a good texture. 1 glass of milk of your choice goes inside. So you can use any type of milk you want, like normal milk or coconut milk or maybe any other one that you can think of. So 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey inside. You can also put in maple syrup or sugar to sweeten this. Whatever you got available and whatever is convenient for you, just add that. So that's 2 tablespoons of honey going inside. Definitely need that for the sweetening. Some of you may not want to sweeten it. You may just want the natural sweetness from the fruits. That's also perfectly fine. That's really up to you. So if you want to make this vegan, use a plant-based milk and maple syrup as well. And now, time to close it up and then give it a blend. And then we'll be done. Okay, you saw how to make this easy blueberry banana smoothie recipe. Very simple. Very delicious, refreshing, and let me just actually prove it to you by actually having a taste of it. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wow, amazing. You know what, very simple to make, very refreshing. It's just mesmerizing for the taste buds, and the fact that we are in summer now, this is the perfect beverage to have. Some of these beverages that we are going to be showing you during the summer is going to be top draw, very easy to make, very simple, very inexpensive in terms of the ingredients as well. It's also time efficient as well because it takes you just a couple of minutes, maximum, just to make this. So many benefits, and it's very delicious, very yummy, very refreshing, revitalizing, rejuvenating, all of these words put into one jug. So with that said, if you want to view my kiwi mojito recipe, you can view that over here. If you want to view my pomegranate mojito recipe, you can do so over here. And if you want to just view my list of beverages, there's many wonderful beverages in there. Do go and check that out, which you can check out over here. With that said, catch you in the next one.